Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah and today I want to take you along on decluttering and cleaning the apartment. I mentioned this in one of my most recent videos, which was 7 things that you can do to improve your life in 2020. And since I'm doing all of those things myself, I thought it would be fun to share that with you. So I'm taking my own advice today and cleaning and decluttering my apartment. Hopefully get you inspired to give it a try yourself, especially since we're now all stuck at home during this Corona season, I guess. A little heads up, we actually started decluttering before I decided to make this video. So we already went through the categories of books, papers, and miscellaneous, aside from everything in the kitchen and bathroom, which we will be doing in this video, as well as the clothes, and then the general cleaning part. So without further ado, let's start in this room that we're in right now, which is the bedroom/office. So the plan in here is as follows. Since we already decluttered all of the things in here aside from the decor, all that's left to do is declutter the clothes and clean this room. So we're just gonna tidy up everything that's currently lying around that already has a home. And then we're gonna collect all the clothes on the bed and I can go ahead and start decluttering them while Dorian starts to vacuum and clean the room. So let's go. After I put all of my clothes away that I'm keeping, I wanted to try on the clothes that I wasn't sure about just to see how they would fit and how I would feel wearing them. And I decided to part ways with some of the pieces that have been through a lot with me, so that was hard, but they don't fit me anymore or they're not my style anymore, so I had to let them go. And that's okay, because that's part of life too. So the bathroom isn't actually too cluttered. We have a pretty minimalistic setup in here, which I'm very proud of. It's not as zero waste as I would like it to be, but I am getting there. Anyways, the bathroom does need a good deep clean. So first of all, I'm gonna take everything that's currently in here out of the bathroom so I have free surfaces and I can go ahead and get cleaning. So let's do that. By the way, I'm trying to use very natural cleaning products. So for the bathroom, I'm probably mainly gonna use some citric acid with water. And then I also have this like all-purpose cleaning spray. This is originally from Proven, and you mix it with some water as well. Let me know if you're interested in like a zero waste / less waste kind of cleaning video, because I'm trying to make switches wherever I can. I'm currently trying to switch to a DIY washing detergent as well. So let me know if you're interested, and I would love to share my opinion and kind of what I use and how I make that. So yeah. Anyway, let's get cracking. Not gonna lie, cleaning in this sweater was a terrible idea. I'm so hot right now. Now I just need to clean the side of the bathroom and the toilet and the floor, and then I can move on. Oh, my knees hurt. Okay, bathroom is done. Before I can bring everything back in, I actually want to go through all the things together with some of the beauty stuff that's in my room and kind of declutter all of that, and then I'm going to bring everything back into the bathroom. And then I'm going to call it a day. Thanks. So it is kitchen day. Welcome to my kitchen. This is the place that I'm simultaneously most excited about because I am really looking forward to having an organized, visually pleasing kitchen again. But at the same time, I've been dreading it the most since it involves a lot of cleaning, including things like the microwave and the oven. And I'm not really particularly excited about that. But anyways, I will get it done today. So let's get moving. Yay. Okay, slight change of plans. I'm actually running out of space on the sofa to put stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is clean this half of the kitchen first, and then I have space on the sofa to put all of this side from the kitchen, which is the food and the jars and all of that, and then I can clean that side later on. So yeah, that's the plan. So the sun has officially completely set and it is dark. It might not look as dark in the shot because I set the ISO to make it look nice, but it's actually too dark to see exactly where there is dirt. So I think I'm just gonna call it a day and turn this into a 3-day project. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, it is day 3. I am ready to tackle the mess. I got some coffee here and my podcast here. Let's get into it. So, as you can tell, we put everything back into the kitchen and it now looks like a finished functional kitchen, which is great. There's only a couple of pieces left that I still need to find a home for, and I also need to put the art back on the fridge. But other than that, the kitchen is finished and I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna finish those last couple of pieces and then I will be back with you in a second. So the kitchen is now completely finished. Dorian will quickly vacuum the floor as well as the living room, and then I will move on to decorating everything and watering my plants, and then I think we're finally done. It's only been 4 days and I'm really ready to be finished, but yeah, we're almost there, almost. The key to decorating a shelf is to put things in groups of odd numbers like 3 or 5 and kind of stack them together. And usually it takes a bit of trial and error and just moving things around, seeing what works and what doesn't. To be honest, I had a little trouble styling this shelf. I kept trying different things and seeing what would even fit the vibe of the room, and it took me a solid 30 to 40 minutes, and then I turned off the camera because I was so frustrated, and I kid you not, 5 minutes later it came to me. I had a vision and this is what it looks like now. Not too bad if I do say so myself. We also finally, after 2 years of living in this apartment, put up some artwork above the sofa that is gonna stay there and that's not just temporary. So we decided on some photos that Dorian and I took while on the road trip, and it makes me really happy to look at them and kind of remember that time. Yeah, so pro tip right here, if you're an artist or a photographer, if you make anything at all, hang it up in your apartment. There is no shame in liking your own art, so give it a try. And now the moment that you've all been waiting for, some before and after shots of all of the rooms that we've decluttered and cleaned. Now, if that isn't satisfying, I don't know what is. And that is everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and it got you motivated to clean your apartment and tidy it up, especially again, since we're all stuck at home right now. This is the perfect opportunity. If you need some other things to do, I made a whole video about all the things that you can do while staying at home. Some productive, creative, self-care. I have a whole bunch of categories in there, so make sure you check it out. And other than that, I hope you're having a great day. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself and your loved ones and everyone else. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.